already at first. Hi guys, today we're going to learn how to pick a very basic window lock. Hope you enjoy. Goodbye. Hi guys, today we're going to try and pick a lock. Now, as you see, if we open it, that pushes in, opens, yep. But if we close it, there you go. If you close it, then this, look, you can't push it in, and locked. And if you see, if I connect this in, this does not turn. So let's open it. Firstly, you put this in, then you take your tiny screwdriver, put it there. Then you try and wait. First, you need to get to the correct place. There are way better people who know how to do this, but I'm just showing you my way. Because I don't have all those fancy stuff. I think I might be getting it wrong. Last time. Oh, there you go. There you go. Now that we've got it halfway, I'll just take everything out. You can use this screwdriver to just turn it. Then we can push and open it. So make it forward. There is how to pick the lock. Let's just close it up again. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like. Goodbye.